Cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City
special marine
Lake
warning?
until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles south of Waukegan Harbor to near O'Hare Airport, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Wilmette Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan.
At 4 p.m. at O'Hare Airport, thunder was reported.
Oh,
The temperature was 78 degrees.
wow. The only three locations that was impacted.
O'Hare thunder was reported.
Was 43%.
The temperature was 78
The wind was
degrees.
south at 21.